Is Copilot showing a something went wrong error and refusing to work? Don't worry. This quick tutorial will show you simple, step-by-step fixes to get Copilot running smoothly again in just a few minutes. First solution, restart your network connection. First, we will restart your network connection. This often fixes Copilot connection errors. Right-click on the network icon from the taskbar. Click on Network and Internet Settings. Now click on Advanced Network Settings. Disable your Ethernet or Wi-Fi to restart the network. Wait a few seconds. Enable the Ethernet or Wi-Fi network again. Next solution, update your browser. Now, let's make sure your browser is fully updated. Open Chrome or the browser you are using. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Help. Now click on About Google Chrome. Wait until the update is completed. Once done, click on Relaunch. Next solution, clear browser data. If the issue still exists, clearing browser data can help. Click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on More Options. Select All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. That's it. After completing these steps, Copilot should work without the something went wrong error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.